Guys, it's Liz from the Drowning Maze. Not long woken up, I had a bit of a longer lie than I should have. Welcome back to another vlog. But I wonder what Alex is up to.
Round two. Once you somewhat get used to it.
I guess we'll never know. So this is the view, what we're seeing. Unfortunately, it is our last day in Tromso, but I think it's time to get myself sorted, ready, dressed, and I need to pack the rest of our life away because, as you guys can probably see, I haven't started. And then I've got a few little bits to do around the town today. I need to go back to the Hard Rock Cafe because the t-shirt I bought from a couple of vlogs ago, it doesn't fit me. So I need to exchange it and get a bigger size. If not, then I'm just probably gonna see if I can just get a different one. Well, I was just about to start getting sorted, but look who walks through the door.
Morning. I went to a cold plunge, which is a tradition in Norway and different parts of the world where you basically go into a cornered off section of the ocean and you basically go for a swim.
Okay guys, we're all packed away. There's a few bits we've got to do, like put long sleeves on and shit. We will be heading out the room shortly because it's nearly time to check out. We've got like 8 minutes to do it, and then we're gonna do stuff. Anything to add, my darling?
Right, this experience has been an absolute mind blow. You know, from the hotel, the scenery, the food, the people, absolutely incredible experience. We've still got some time before we have to jet out of this lovely place and back to miserable old England.
Well guys, after spending however long in the hotel doing some editing and the rest of the fam went out and about, it is time to say goodbye to very snowy Tromso. So we're heading back home today. We come to the airport really quick, really early, just for the simple factor It's absolutely snowing down here. I don't know if you can hear anything I'm saying.
So then guys, we are now at Tromso International Airport, ready to be catching our flight home. And I'm gonna be honest, this is the most knackered I've been in a very, very long time. You know, I've just had to chug a monster, but this has been the most amazing trip we've ever done. The Philippines was up there, but this is just taking it to a whole different level. So we're gonna now do some shopping.
So guys, after many hours of waiting, we are now on the plane ready to head home. That's what we're looking like outside. It's gonna be pitch black because of it being a night flight, so we might not see a lot. So hey guys, we're having to do something a little different. Filming on the phones because the GoPro's dead and we haven't been able to change the battery. So we've just arrived back in Bristol. Just got to go through like the security bit and then we'll be back. Let you know when we're home. Hey guys, we have not made it home because we're staying at a family member's for a couple of nights, but we are home, if that makes sense.
Second home. If this area looks familiar to you, that's because it's our second home. As the family members we are staying with kindly let us stay here fairly often. But we're going to keep this short and sweet, guys,
because we are knackered and it is currently just gone 1:10 in the morning.
It started to rain here in the UK.
And then, so we just left the suitcases down there so it doesn't stay in the carpet. And then tomorrow we'll bring the cases back up here and then just sort them out.
We just want to also say, guys, thank you ever so much for the love and support you've given us over this trip. The TikTok views, the likes on Instagram, the YouTube comments. You guys have absolutely blown these videos out the water.
This is why we do what we do, because we love to travel. We like to show people that, you know, what's out there, because they might not have money to get out there or things like that.
But we also try to show people who are less fortunate that this is what is out there in the world, to give them a bit of happiness and joy.
Guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Like, comment and subscribe.
Ding dong that notification bell. Links are in the description to all of our social medias. And I'm afraid that is another trip wrapped up in the bag.
And as usual, I'm Lou from the Travelling Maze.
And I'm Alex from the Travelling Maze.
We'll see you soon, guys.
In the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.